Now for my finishing move. I'm just teasing. We're gonna be. Let's go cereal. We're gonna go homemade French toast cereal. Now for the finishing move in the pool. I've already screened it. Now I'm gonna make a whirlpool. I'm gonna add a little foam. I'm gonna just keep stirring, whatever, working it around. And I'm send it to you. So this whole feels like a good little another workout. Oh, I get my gym in. Not going to the gym, you know what I'm saying? Give it some cardio. I'm gonna put some of that up there. That level looks pretty good. Yeah, level looks good. We're just creating this. It'll also help the filter better. I don't know why I'm splashing myself with the metal. There we go. Climb the ladder, son. Woo-hoo. Yeah, this is what warriors have to do. Stay on. Send it.